Design is not just about making things look good. It's about solving problems with a process. In this video, I will take you through the step-by-step UX design process that professionals use to create amazing digital experiences. Welcome back to my channel. Stella the designer. UX design process, also known as design thinking process, is a series of steps that help designers create products that are useful, usable, and enjoyable. It's not about guessing. Instead, it's about research, testing, and refining ideas. You can think of it like cooking a great meal. You need a recipe to get the best results. UX design process is carried out in 6 major steps. Step 1 is researching and understanding the users. Before designing anything, you need to understand the users. You need to know who they are and the problems they face. And you can achieve this by conducting user interviews, carrying out surveys, and also conducting competitor analysis. Now that you have data, you will then proceed to the next step, which is defining the problem and goals. You need to define the user's main problem and the goal of your design. To go about this, you first have to create user personas. Now, user personas is just you giving a face to the users. And then you have to write problem statements. An example of a problem statement is, users struggle to find healthy recipes easily. Our goal is to design an app that suggests quick, personalized meal options. So this is an example of you defining the problem and stating your goal. With a clear problem statement in hand, it will then be time to ideate and wireframe. This is where creativity comes in. You would brainstorm ideas and create rough sketches of how those ideas would work. Wireframing is basically low-fidelity sketches of screens, and you can do this on paper or Figma. Next is step 4, which is prototyping and UI design. In this step, you would create interactive prototypes and add UI elements like colors, fonts, and buttons. You can also sketch or use the Figma tool. An example of prototyping is making a clickable prototype of an app to test how easy it is to navigate from one page to another. The testing and iteration step is where you test your design with real users to find out what works and what does not. You do this before launching the product. To achieve this, you have to carry out usability testing by asking users to complete tasks and observe their experience. For instance, when carrying out this test, if you see that users struggle to find the checkout button, it means that you would have to still go back and work on the design to make the checkout button easy to find. Once everything is working well, the product is launched. But you have to know that UX design is never finished. This would bring you to the 6th step, which is launch and continuous improvement. For this, you need to monitor user feedback, analyze behavior, and update the design over time. UX design is a process which involves research, testing, and improving. Now, the best designs are the ones that solve problems and make life easier for the users. So let me know which of these steps interest you. You can tell me in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more content on UX UI. In our next video, we will discuss the best paid and free UX UI learning resources. Thank you.